power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in black clear coat. With electronic roll mitigation, hill start assist, 17-inch aluminum wheels, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Rock Track heavy duty part-time 4-wheel drive system, off-road plus mode, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 50090A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.